How to remove object from video for free in InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove object from for free in InShot. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to remove the video object from certain video in InShot, you just need to tap on this video section and select the video that you want to remove the object from. Simply tap on right. After that, you need to overlay a video on top of that, the similar video with a similar background. Just simply tap on it, and here let's say you have a part that you want to remove. So what you can do is simply resize the video with a similar background and place it over the place where the object is. So you just need to resize it. You may just resize it accordingly. You may just crop, trim, you may just edit it out accordingly. You may just select the mask option here. After that, here you can see this mask option here. I'm just gonna select this square option in here. I can just move it anywhere, and you can see how easily I can place it on above any of the objects. So simply follow the process and place it on above the object that you want to remove it from. So just like that, edit it out and you will be able to remove the object InShot for free. So therefore, by following this method, you can remove object using InShot. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.